It's weird up here, people. It gets weird. Yeah. Hey!
Oh, I can't get it back on.
Why would you play like that? Why would you do that?
You want it? I give it
No.
to you.
Pull over. Pull over.
You want why? All right, here. You
No,
pull it over. Pull it over.
Pulling steering wheels out and shit.
What it seemed. I see the murder scene and run up on a spleen. Factual, actual facts that are practical. I'm about to tear you up. Why? I'm an animal, cannibal, Hannibal Lecter. Lie to your face, crime and it pays. Getting very passionate. This love affair's elaborate. Hiding what I do from the members of my cabinet.
What's up, guys? Joe here, standing with JB and my man Alan and his 2013 Mitsubishi Lancer. Tell me, what made you buy this car?
Because on my mind, when I'm more young, I'll watch the movie Too Fast, Too Furious, like on the Miami, you know.
It's a good movie.
R34.
Yeah.
And I see one of the Evos right there, and I say, like, I want this car, and I get this car, and when I come here, I buy this car.
Nice.
All right, so compared to a few months ago, last time we saw the car, I see you've made a few design aspect changes, you know. It's like, so tell me about your vision.
Well, what can I say? We got a lot of things on this car. I want a lot of projects on this car, and you guys see the progress and all the stuff, and I got a bunch of stuff on this car, brother.
Yeah, so let me know about the color, you know, all the stuff.
Bro, and the color is teal, green teal.
Green teal.
Yes, sir.
It's a beautiful color, man.
Oh, thank you, brother.
I'm digging it.
Thank you.
Well, I'm excited to drive this. I'm excited to grab onto the Katana shifter and
You've
just
never
feel
held
like
a
a
Katana before,
samurai,
have you?
man. Let me get them keys. Let's go, man.
For sure.
All right,
Yeah, brother.
we'll catch you guys in the car. So, what do you think about the Lancer?
That's nice.
Yeah.
I like I mean, I'm gonna define nice right now, because this is a nice car. Design-wise, it looks like if he wanted to, he could do some racing with it if he wanted to. But this is a show car, so it's gotta look pretty. Size-wise, I mean, size-wise, I'm gonna give. I don't know. Like, my knee hurts right now. Like, I'm dying on the inside right now. But other than that, it's good. I don't think I would be able to, you know, drive this thing. But yeah, other than that. The seat belts, the racing seats are cool as shit. But are you strapped in? You clicked
Yeah.
it? I ain't even try. Oh, that's. I'd rather die comfortably. Just saying. I'm literally holding my knee. I have to hold my knee back off of the dash. It's like a buffer. I got like my fingers locked in between the dash and my kneecap. This carbon fiber is f***ing me up, y'all.
What carbon fiber?
I don't know. It looks like it, but yeah, I know now. At first glance, I thought it was carbon fiber. Ooh. Ah. Car is really low, y'all.
Really, really low.
Really low. It's hard to turn. Straightaway is perfect. But with us in this car, turning is not an option.
I can't get over this Katana shifter. This is the best idea I've ever seen.
I've seen a Dragon Ball, the 4-star shifter. I've seen that one. Who had that?
Bat in
Bat in the Miata. He had
Miata.
that, but he ain't had no samurai shifter.
Yeah. And it's so hard to tell if the blinker is on.
Dude, check out these side mirrors. They're so tiny.
Bro, those are purely aesthetic side mirrors. You're not seeing shit out of those.
Yeah, I can't. I'm pretty sure.
The car is screaming at me to shift up, and I'm only at 1,300 RPMs. So this JDM steering wheel is pretty nice. He's got a cool sound stream head unit in here. He's got some subs in the back. For him being a not very tall guy, I fit in here pretty well. I mean, I'm a little tight on the harnesses, but I'm sure he doesn't plan on getting 100 pounds heavier anytime soon.
Other than the harness, for us, well, I mean, but the harness, that's something you can change.
Yeah, you could loosen them up.
Yeah.
I could have loosened JB's up before I got in here, but I wanted to see him struggle to put them on.
So you put my safety in jeopardy on purpose.
I put your safety in jeopardy all the time.
What the f***?
Yeah.
F*** you, man. Yeah, see, I'm not so scared in this car because I know we have to be super cautious with it.
Because it's so low.
It's so f***ing low. I'm on the hunt for dips. I'm as soon as I see I'm like, f***ing slow down. Motherfucker at 2 miles an hour. Show car. He didn't say send it. Did he say send it?
I was gonna. Quick little 100 miles an hour. No big deal.
Don't.
Oh, what? Take the steering wheel off? There's a curve coming up. I can steer without this, but...
Why would you even want to take that off?
Little downshifter. All right, first of all, we need to discuss why do you look so thugged out right now?
What are you talking about? I'm just regular. This is a shirt and some jeans and a fucking beanie. It's winter. Why would the f***? It's because I'm black? Because I'm black?
I mean, you said it.
You said, well, I didn't say it.
I'm just saying you look extra gangster today.
Is it the beanie?
I think it is the beanie, yeah.
Why? So what edition, what does the beanie, why does that mean thugged out? I don't get it.
You just look thugged out right now.
I'm just wearing clothes. Just wearing regular clothes. Ain't nothing wrong with just regular clothes. Oh, bro, speaking of clothes, I was at work the other day, right? Mm-hmm. So I'm not gonna say where I work, but I was at work the other day, and I work security. I can't say where though. So I was at work the other day, and this chick walks up, and she's wearing one of them see-through shirts. Some of them they're not as see-through as others. This chick was basically wearing fishnets, but she had the top. She ain't had nothing on under, no bra, nothing. I'm like, she gotta cover them things up. So I told her, I said, excuse me, miss, you have to, if you want to be in here, you have to buy pasties or put Band-Aids on. They don't have to be flesh colored.
But do they sell pasties there?
No.
Oh.
I mean, they might as well. I think they do. Not pasties, but they have flesh tone Band-Aids and shit. So I'm yeah, you gotta have some of those on. You can't have your nips all out, your titties all out and shit. She's like, why are you looking? These ain't for you. What? What does that have to do with anything? You walking around naked, and I'm telling you, you can't walk around naked. And she just went off on me for looking at her being naked while she's out in public naked. Like I don't understand, ladies. I don't get it. Like you wear these clothings, and as soon as it says something, like even if I would have complimented her and say, hey, yeah, your outfit looks nice, 9 times out of 10 she would have been like, this ain't for you, stop looking. I've had that happen before. That's why I don't like to talk to people. I don't compliment girls.
So thoughts on the Lancer? You want one?
No, I don't know. I don't think so. Passenger, whoever's in the passenger seat over like 6'2" is gonna be like super uncomfortable.
Well, it's only in this one because it has the bar.
True, that is.
So?
What do you mean so? He said the same thing like 5 times. It's small. I mean, it's a good car, just big boy.
From a driver aspect, I'd own it. I'm comfortable.
Approved on the driver's side, denied on the passenger side.
Hence why Joe drives.
You, I drive. I just didn't.
You want to drive this one?
No, this is a show car. I don't want to drive a show car. I'm good on that. JB, don't drive show cars. Yeah, that's why JB don't drive show cars.
Alan's a cool dude. Alan,
Yeah, cool shit.
he
I actually want to see.
member of Team Ultra Speed.
Yep. I actually want to see in a couple months. He said he's gonna turbo Taz it. You know what I'm saying?
And nitrosize it or whatever you say.
Why would you make up a word and not even make it up properly? You gonna say it wrong? Say it wrong. God damn it. It's nitro Taz. So bad.
So what do you think about the katana shifter?
Katana shifter's phenomenal. When I get my car,
When he learns how to drive stick.
I know how to drive. Why do you guys just assume I can't drive stick? Okay.
Oh, okay.
Man, that's what you want, man.
Okay.
Also, make sure you guys go back and watch either the last or a couple videos ago, the episode 8. Make sure you like that so you can make this guy jump out of a plane who is afraid of heights. Make sure go give that video a like.
Why are you being a shitty person right now? Why are you doing that? Why would you tell people to do that? People don't do it. I mean, I want to succeed, but I don't want to succeed at the same time. It's a phenomenon. Like
A phenomena?
yeah.
Did you just try to use big words that wasn't right?
I actually know big words. Are you sure it wasn't right?
Come on, college, was it?
You want to Google it? You want to Google? You want to Google?
How is the college?
You want to Google?
The college educated person telling me I gotta Google something?
I went to art school.
I'm college educated. I went to art school.
I went to art school. Stop saying like I went to.
Didn't really go to college.
I went to, what the you? I went to college. It's just that primarily was art and drawing pictures and designing and business. It wasn't like it wasn't like
business? What?
Every class. It's not Harvard where every class is like damn near critical thinking classes. There are a few critical thinking classes. God damn it! Drive the goddamn car.
We're at a stoplight.
Drive the car.
You want to drive the car?
No, I'm good. I don't want to. I don't drive.
Put it in first gear.
I don't want to drive.
Put it
show
in
cars.
first gear.
I don't want to drive.
Which way is first gear?
Show cars.
Put it in first gear.
I don't drive show cars.
Put it in first gear.
I don't drive show cars.
You don't know how to drive stick.
I know how to drive stick.
Put it in first gear then.
I don't drive show cars.
I will give you $100. You
I'm
put it
not
in first.
you can keep your $100.
$100. You put it in first gear right now.
You can keep your $100, sir.
I'll give you $1,000. You can put it in reverse.
You can keep your $1,000, sir. Because why would I put it in reverse right now?
I'm just saying, if you can put it in reverse, I'll give you $1,000.
Like I said, I don't drive show cars. I'm not gonna touch the shifter. As cool as it is, I don't want to touch that thing. All right?
What gear am I in now?
You're in neutral. You're not. Don't touch it. Do you stop touching stuff and drive properly?
Yeah, it is. We're gonna rub the shit out of this. Oh, it actually didn't rub.
What the? Hey.
Just take a timeout while JB Google stuff.
Phenomena. Plural form of phenomenon. You lost the Googles.
$1,000. Put it in first gear.
I am good.
Just all you have to do is put
I'm
it in
not
first
gonna
gear.
touch the shifter. I
You don't know
touch,
where first gear is.
I
Just
do
say
not
that.
touch. Show
Just say,
cars.
I don't
will
know
sit
where
here.
first gear is.
I'm not gonna touch anything. I break. God damn it! That stupid ass song is stuck in my head.
What?
You know when I said phenomena?
It's like a phenomenon.
No.
Like a phenomenon.
No. Phenomena. Like it's stuck in my head, but instead it's saying phenomena. Like oh, it's weird up here, people. It gets weird. Yeah. Hey.
Oh, I can't get it back on.
Why would you play like that? Why would you do that?
You want it? I give it
No. Pull over. Pull over.
You want why? All right, here. You
No,
pull it
no,
over.
you
pull
put
it
that-
over.
Pulling steering wheels out and shit. All right. All right.
About halfway through, I just took off the steering wheel and handed it to him. Freaked him out.
I wasn't paying attention. I was looking at something off the road. I was talking to this motherfucker. He goes, here. I said, huh? Huh? How you gonna hand somebody a steering wheel mid-drive? Like, it's a dick move.
Freaked out. Well, I like the car. It gets a stamp from me.
Passenger side is probably just because of the seats the way they are. My knee was like hurting, but other than that, stamp. Other than that.
Make sure you guys like the video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you go follow Alan on Instagram. We'll see you guys in the next one.
Big Boy Carz, episode 9, I believe. Not sure. I'm here to help today. I have no idea what I'm doing, but that's okay.
2013 Mitsubishi Lancer. I don't even talk about it.